Take 0.3 milligrams of this super antioxidant 1 hour before bed to sleep a lot better and lower your creatinine levels. Catherine here. I've been working with people suffering from kidney disease for almost 10 years now. And I know very well how troublesome it can be for people to find ways to sleep better. But I've personally met patients who were able to improve their kidney function over the years to lower their creatinine levels, and for some of them, finding ways to sleep better was one of the key factors. Yes, how you sleep is way more important for kidney health than people realize. Obesity, coronary heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and a shortened life expectancy are all linked to poor sleep. And the kidney actually seems to be the organ most impacted. It is scientifically proven that sleeping less than 6 hours per night can cause kidney damage. On the other hand, sleeping enough every night has a long list of proven health benefits. It makes memory and brain function sharper. It makes you happier and fights depression. It makes you feel energized during the day. It helps you control your body weight because when you're well rested, you're less hungry. And even more important, it will help you lowering your creatinine levels and repair the kidneys. Yes, this is proven by science. First of all, because being properly rested fights diabetes. During the deep part of your sleep cycle, the amount of glucose in your blood drops. Not enough time in this deepest stage means you don't get that break to allow a reset. And also because it helps heart health and blood pressure. While you sleep, your blood pressure goes down, giving your heart, blood vessels, and kidneys some very needed rest. And guys, the compound effect of all these proven health benefits can have an incredible positive impact on your kidney health. Best part? All that it takes to improve exponentially your quality and quantity of sleep is taking advantage of the easy tips, foods, and remedies of today's video. As an added bonus, every single thing I'm going to show you has kidney healing properties you may benefit from. Our number one in particular is an essential mineral that fights hypertension, sleep problems, and also repairs the kidneys by lowering uric acid levels. Don't miss it! And today I also want to share with you my personal strategy to sleep 8 hours sharp per night. Yes, I used to have trouble sleeping, but not anymore. I have personally tested on myself many of the tips I will share with you in this video, and now I get asleep in minutes after hitting the bed every day. So today I also want to share with you exactly what I'm doing. But before that, let's start our top 5 with some superfoods that may effectively enhance your sleep quality, not to mention that they all have many healing benefits. Never go to bed without eating some kiwi fruit. I love this fruit and it's absolutely amazing for the health of the kidneys. Kiwi fruit possesses properties that lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol in the blood according to science. And kiwi fruit is also incredibly rich in vitamin C, more than citrus fruits. Vitamin C is crucial because it fights anemia, one of the worst dangers for kidney health. And the reason why you should eat a kiwi fruit before going to sleep is either content of serotonin, a hormone that can improve sleep quality. In a study, participants reported falling asleep 42% more quickly when consuming 2 kiwi fruits 1 hour before going to bed. Amazing! Next food is a breakfast staple you should be consuming in the evening instead. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is not just an amazing superfood for your kidneys, it has also been reported to induce drowsiness when consumed before bed. Researchers believe that this property is due to the tryptophan content of oats. This is an amino acid the brain converts into serotonin, which relaxes the body and makes it easier to fall asleep. And also consider Almonds. Almonds are an amazing superfood. They are great for people wanting to lose weight. And they are also great to help you sleep better. The reason why almonds are so great to help you sleep better is a key mineral that this nut is really rich in. Getting enough of this mineral is crucial not just for good sleep but for kidney health too, as it affects blood pressure. Unfortunately, having a deficiency in this nutrient is just as common as it is dangerous. Guys, this mineral is actually our number one for today. Don't miss it. Before that, another superfood you cannot miss is spirulina. This blue-green alga has so many health benefits. It fights anemia, it can lower cholesterol levels and blood sugar levels. And it's amazing for your kidneys also because it helps you sleep better. If you take spirulina 1 or 2 hours before going to sleep, it will stimulate the natural release of the natural sleep hormone. Yes, there is a hormone in the body that controls the sleep-wake cycle, and some foods such as spirulina can help having more of it at the right time. This is especially important for seniors as the natural production of this key hormone decreases with age. Luckily, you can also supplement this one and it will really help you sleeping better. I'm talking about number 4, melatonin. As a supplement, melatonin has become a very popular and inexpensive sleeping aid. It's particularly powerful for people suffering from jet lag or for those aged 50 or more. And the body production of melatonin doesn't just decrease with age, but also with the progression of CKD. So you really want to try this one, also because it's a real super antioxidant with free radical scavenger, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the kidneys. Absolutely a must for good kidney health. Now, unfortunately, melatonin also comes with a hidden danger. Many brands sell it in dosage that are way too high, at the point that they are dangerous. To avoid this risk, watch the next part of this video. Finding the right dosage for melatonin was key in my personal strategy to sleep 8 hours per night, and I'll show you why in a moment. Before that, some easy tips to sleep better and repair your kidneys, because treating sleep as a priority rather than a luxury is key to a better kidney health. So before I show you how to put all this together, here are some tips proven to help sleep better. Take stimulants only in the morning. It's better to limit or completely avoid tea, coffee, and even vitamins of the B group during the evening. And also, keep all your electronics in a separate room. Phones and computer are proven to damage sleep quality. Stop using electronics 2 hours before bedtime and always use the night light on your phone in the evening. Now, very important. Develop a nightly routine that allows your body to relax and prepare for quality sleep. Set your bedtime and reserve 1 hour or so to do your favorite relaxing activities such as listening to music, meditation, and reading. Try this. Sometimes my nightly routine is my favorite part of the day. And also, exercise regularly. But, okay. When I talk about exercising, I always say that it's the best thing there is. Exercising is the most effective way to lower cholesterol, for example, and can decrease blood pressure most efficiently than any prescription medication available. It obviously helps a lot with sleeping too. It makes you tired, it directly makes you sleep more and better. But always do it in the morning if you have trouble sleeping, and in any case, no later than 3 hours before you go to bed. Try to use natural alternatives to prescription sleeping pills. I know that some people cannot sleep at all without some prescription sleeping aid, but all prescriptions come with several side effects. If you can, try to use the natural remedies I'm showing today as a safer alternative. And this is actually what I do to sleep better. Ready to see what my strategy is? Okay, so here you see my complete stack. There is melatonin here. This is very useful, as I was saying. But you see, the dose of these pills is completely wrong. These are 1 milligram pills, which is too high for almost anyone, me included. You will be very groggy in the morning, and it will also reduce the natural production of melatonin from the body. So don't take melatonin in this dose every day. Ideally, you should start with just 0.3 milligrams to 0.5 milligrams of melatonin instead. So what I do is cutting this in half or a little bit less than that. And taking it in the right dose also means that I don't have to take it every day, because my body still makes melatonin. So if one day I don't take this, I will still sleep well. And also, chamomile tea. I love chamomile tea, and not just because it's great to sleep better. It's also very rich in antioxidants. I usually take both of these about 1 hour before going to bed. And also vitamin D3. This is what I refer to as the kidney vitamin, but it's also the sunshine vitamin because the body makes it from sunlight. What not many people know is that vitamin D is also a hormone just like melatonin. It's actually used by the body to stop the production of melatonin. It's a straightforward concept when you think about it. No more sun in the sky, the body makes melatonin and you get sleepy. But when the sun is high, the body starts to make vitamin D, and this completely stops melatonin production. It's what regulates the circadian rhythm. So I always take vitamin D3 first thing in the morning, and that also helps me sleep better. Okay, this is my secret weapon. Now, this little bottle you see here is our number 1 for today. I couldn't sleep without supplementing this key mineral. This is a mineral that's crucial to the body's function. Just like for essential vitamins, you cannot live without enough of it. It helps keep blood pressure normal, bones strong, and the heart rhythm steady. Because a deficiency in this mineral is very common among people with kidney problems, especially those taking diuretics and in diabetics. And it may cause many problems, including high blood pressure and insomnia. I'm talking about number 1, magnesium. I recommend to supplement magnesium before going to sleep, and I always use it too. But unfortunately, there is a problem with taking magnesium supplements if you have kidney problems. CKD patients have hard times absorbing magnesium from supplements, at the point that researchers were even considering the possibility that taking a supplement was useless. But luckily, a breakthrough study proven that there is one type of magnesium kidney disease patients should be supplementing. Just one. The best part, those taking this supplement in the right dose were even able to lower their creatinine levels. I've explained exactly what this supplement is in my video up here. Watch it now to know more. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.